Department of Defense has issued a DARO retard capsule alert until further notice. On June 29, 2009, a retard capsule has been spotted attacking two organisms, a computer from Florida and a sibling in Valley Springs, California, during a visit to her friend's family. The DARO retard capsules are capable of making humans say random words and sometimes gibberish with an epic smiley face in the background. If you see one of these capsules, stay away from them as far as you possibly can. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. Oh no, retard capsules as minx and slail jack came nothing, but to heart they came nothing, but to mistake ha 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 gymnasium. She's off the office who is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boom.